My name is Randall Cook, and today we're going to be interviewing Lambchop. No, I'm just kidding. Today we're going to be reviewing the Multipet Lambchop plush dog. It's a 10-inch toy with a squeaker. And let's see, it's an extremely soft plush toy. Squeaks when played with, not a puppet. And it's a 10-inch regular, as opposed to extra large. Let's look at some questions and answers. Is this the 10-inch one with 5 squeakers? Yes, this is the 10-inch one with 5 squeakers. Another person asks, how many batteries go in this toy? My dog tore it apart and I can only find 2. The answer is yes, there are 3 batteries. My dog tore it apart too. Mr. Bill did last much longer than some of the other toys. I might purchase one again. All right, let's go to some reviews. Let's look at some reviews. One person reviewed a 5-star. Lambie rules. Buy at least half a dozen. Oh my goodness. Firstly, we're on about our 4th Lambie. No fault of our sweet terrier mix. The minute Lambie is brought back to life, i.e. bought again, we keep playing with the lab. We had 3 dogs, the third being a pit rescue who is thankfully only interested in hard toys. It can get interesting when it is a new toy day. Oh, I bet. Okay, let's do a little unboxing. Okay, let's check out Lambchop here. Comes in a plastic bag, sealed up pretty good. We'll just open one side. Packaged very nicely. And out it comes. And right away you can see it says, "Squeeze me, I squeak." Gotta find the right. Oh, there it is down there. Now, don't have a cat, but my dog. Oh, that's right, this is a dog toy. So, yes, my dog is going to freak out over this. Comes attached to the cardboard, which just has a warning. Always carefully supervise your pet when playing with this and any other toys. Well, that's a good idea. It's very soft. It's got a little hanger here so you can hang the toy up when the dog is done playing with it. I'm not sure how many. Oh, there's squeakies in the feet. Let's see. There's squeakies in the head, and down here, oh, and in the feet as well. So we do have 5 squeakies. Other than that, I think this will be a very good toy for a dog. I mean, I know my dog, he loves searching for the squeakies and tearing them out. This is distributed by Multipet. Pet fun multiplied. Again, it's very soft, it's very well constructed. Alrighty.